Alright, this is the voice of Kesomes Plumbing. This video, I'm going to show you how you're going to fix your shower for the first time. First, you tie your shower hose and your shower pole. Then cut the pipe if it's too long. After cutting the pipe, this is the T-tap, the off and on for the shower. You fix your T-tap. Make sure you rub one very well. Now fix your T-tap. After your T-tap, you measure where you're going to put fixture that will be holding the shower pole. This way I'm going to fix the fixtures. You put your fixture side, you emboss the other side. When doing it, you have to be careful so that you just scatter the size. Fix the other one. Ready to tie. Make sure you fix your rubber on the T-tap before you tie in the shower to avoid leakage. Thanks for watching this video. If this is your first time coming across my channel, please subscribe. I'll be posting more videos like this on this channel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to also share. The shower is ready now. The shower is ready now, ready to use.